Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. You're looking at our Springtime Yellow 1969 Plymouth RoadRunner. It's got a date code correct 383. It's not original, but it's as close as you can get. Factory 4-speed, factory air grabber hood. This little car's been frame off at some point a few years ago. It's absolutely gorgeous underneath, inside and out, and on top. Trunk's really nicely detailed. Engine bay is very nicely detailed. The original Fener Tag is right here. Nice chrome air grabber breather, and the air grabber all works. Engine fires up super smooth. Just purrs like a kitten. It's got the black correct black paint on it. All the chrome, all the bumpers, Magnum 500 wheels. It's all super nice. Gorgeous interior. Black bucket seats. It's got an add-on console on it. This is a year before they started the pistol grip shifter. It does have the Hurst T-handle. Really nice paint throughout. Door jambs, doors, weather strip, door panels, all of it. Look how nice the paint is all the way through. The car runs and drives excellent. All the glass is nice. This is the RM21 with the pop-out rear windows. Chrome shine. Now this car is not like most Mopars. This car actually has its original rear quarters, trunk pan. It has all its original metal. And it's very, very nice. Factory G70 14 spare, jack, handle, and base. It's super nicely detailed and painted all the way through. Listen to that Mopar exhaust. All of the glass is Plymouth Mopar glass. It's 40 degrees here this morning, so it's steaming a little bit. Not many Mopars made it through with the original quarters, floors, and trunk pan, but this one did. Here's the beep beep horn. Hurst shifter and the Hurst T-handle. Factory AM/FM stereo. Wipers work. Car showing 104,429 miles, which is extremely low mileage for a 1969 RoadRunner. The interior is super nice. It's got the optional remote mirror. Moves your mirror around. Look how nice that headliner is. Nice seat belts. Rear package tray with the stereo. That AM/FM stereo still plays. That's great. Y'all check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed day.